Down south on the state of Tamil Nadu itself, the DMK is to begin alliance talks on February 22nd. That's what we're picking up right at the top of this hour. DMK kept Congress hanging for weeks. They've come out to say seat-sharing talks are to begin on February 22nd. February 22nd is when the DMK panel, that is a committee that's been set up to begin the alliance talks, shall in fact be convening their entire seat-sharing formula discussions on that very day. Now, fresh round of power-sharing war on cards? That remains to be the question. Starting from February 22nd, the DMK Constituency Allocation Committee will be beginning their constituency negotiations with alliance parties. Now, we have Pramod Madhav joining us on the broadcast with more details on this. Pramod, very good morning to you. This comes in as very crucial information at this point of time ahead of elections, February 22nd being the date when that panel, the committee that's been formulated by the DMK to coordinate all the talks, they shall finally be beginning the talks with the alliance parties. Now, we've already seen speculations over Congress and DMK and this seat-sharing formula. What more are you picking up right now in terms of details on this?
Good morning, Shreya. This is a massive news break ahead of the Chief Minister M.K. Stalin participating in India Today's roundtable conference. And the important aspect here is that, like back in 2021, the actual committee was constituted and the talks began by 26th of February in 2021. So it looks like the same kind of period. The DMK has also decided to go ahead this time. This is coming entire kind of coinciding with the period where Congress is continuously claiming that DMK has not constituted the committee and they want to initiate the talks on one end. Imagine earlier Congress was seeking power sharing and such like, but now they have come to the point that they are requesting DMK to form the committee first to start the talking. And now we've got information that 22nd of February, the committee initiation will happen and the talks will begin for seat sharing. There no way that it has been mentioned that it's going to be anything about the power sharing, and that's a very important point. But finally, DMK has decided to go ahead and constitute the committee, that too after the assembly proceedings, because on 17th, there are two important things that's going to happen in Tamil Nadu. One is the interim budget, and the second one is the SAR copy as well. So following that, it looks like DMK would go ahead and initiate the seat sharing talks, Shreya.
Right, Pramod. Thank you for putting it into perspective for our viewers. In fact, viewers, before we move on from this very story, let us take you through what one of the DMK ministers had to say on this very matter, mocking Congress, saying no to power sharing. Let's listen in.
காங்கிரஸ்ல ஒரு காலத்து 67 வரைக்கும் காங்கிரஸ் இப்ப வர முடியுதா சொன்னா அப்புறம் கோச்சுக்கிறா கூட்டணி இருக்கா ஒருத்தர் 2 பேர் இருந்துட்டு உயிரை வாங்கிட்டு இருப்பாங்க இருந்து போறா இருந்து நம்ம வேணாம்னு சொல்லல தலைவர் இஷ்டம் கூட்டணி அவரை வச்சிருக்கு ஏன்னா கூட்டணி ஆட்சி வருது அன்னைக்கு பேப்பர்ல பாக்குறேன் வந்து கூட்டணி ஆட்சி திமுக முதல்ல அதிமுக ஆட்சி வருதுன்னு சொன்னேன் இப்ப அதிமுக கூட்டணி என்டிஏ கூட்டணி ஆட்சி வருது அப்படின்னு கூட்டணி ஆட்சி எந்த காலத்திலையும் கலைஞர் காலத்தில் கொடுத்தாரா 110 சீட்டு தான் வச்சிருந்தாரு கொடுத்தல இப்ப எப்படி மெஜாரிட்டி இருக்கு எப்படி கொடுக்கறது 150 சீட்டு மேல திமுக ஜெயிக்கும் அப்புறம் எப்படி கொடுக்க முடியும் தனிப்பட்ட முறையில தளபதி தான் ஆட்சி